love of God. Keep yourselves in the love of God. Jude chapter 21. The Bible is a revelation of the fact that God is love. Many people misunderstand the attribute of God's nature, which is love. God is love does not mean that everything is sweet, beautiful, and happy, and that God's love could not possibly allow punishment for sin. When we preach justice, it is justice tempered with love. When we preach righteousness, it is righteousness founded on love. When we preach atonement, it is atonement planned by love, provided by love, given by love, finished by love, necessitated because of love. When we preach the resurrection of Christ, we are preaching the miracle of love. When we preach the return of Christ, we are preaching the fulfillment of love. No matter what sin you have committed, or how terrible, dirty, or shameful it may be, God loves you. This love of God is immeasurable, unmistakable, and unending. Prayer for the day. My heartfelt gratitude to you, Father, for your forgiveness and love. I must be acutely aware that in all my dealing with others the only yardstick I have is your immeasurable love.